Take a close look at your hands right now. Do they look older than your face? Wrinkles, dryness, spots, and uneven tone on the hands are actually one of the first signs of aging, sometimes even before your face shows it. And here's the shocking truth: if you ignore them, no cream or makeup can completely cover it up. But what if I told you there's a simple natural remedy, made with ingredients from your own kitchen, that can transform your hands to look smoother, softer, and years younger, if you use them the right way, consistently? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Essential Cures. In this video, we're diving deep into how to fix wrinkled, dry, and spotty hands naturally at home. You'll learn the exact combination of ingredients, olive oil, honey, lemon juice, and sugar, that work synergistically to nourish, lighten, and rejuvenate your skin. I'll also share the essential daily habits you must follow to protect and maintain youthful hands. Stay with me till the end, because missing even one step could mean the difference between temporary results and a real transformation. The ingredients and their benefits. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants like vitamin E. Deeply moisturizes dry, cracked skin and helps repair damaged cells. Creates a protective barrier that keeps the skin hydrated and plump, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. 2. Honey. Natural humect. It pulls moisture into the skin and locks it in. Has antibacterial and healing properties, making hands softer and smoother. Brightens dull skin and helps fade scars or blemishes. 3. Lemon juice. Packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts collagen production. Naturally lightens dark spots, sunspots, and blemishes. Evens out skin tone, leaving hands looking fresh and youthful. Tip: always dilute lemon juice to avoid irritation. 4. Sugar. A gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and rough texture. Improves blood circulation when massaged, giving skin a natural glow. Prepares your hands to absorb all the nourishing benefits of olive oil, honey, and lemon. How to use, step by step. Make the scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 teaspoon olive oil and a few drops of lemon juice. Gently massage onto your hands in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. This removes dead skin, improves circulation, and preps your skin for hydration. Rinse with lukewarm water. Deep moisturizing mask. Mix 1 teaspoon honey with 1 teaspoon olive oil and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply evenly on your hands like a mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. For best results, do this 2 to 3 times a week consistently. Daily routine tip. After washing hands, always apply a natural moisturizer, olive oil or your regular hand cream. This locks in hydration and prevents dryness. Extra must-do tips for youthful hands. Always apply sunscreen on your hands. UV damage is the #1 cause of wrinkles and spots. Wear gloves when washing dishes, cleaning, or during cold weather to protect from harsh chemicals and dryness. Avoid hot water. It strips natural oils and worsens dryness. Use lukewarm water instead. Moisturize regularly. Carry a small hand cream with you. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water daily to keep your skin plump from the inside out. Exfoliate once a week to prevent buildup of dead skin. Use antioxidant creams or oils. They fight free radical damage and slow aging. Eat healthy foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake. Both speed up skin aging and dryness. So there you have it, a complete natural treatment for wrinkled, dry hands that really works if you stay consistent. Remember, it's not just about applying the mask once, but about combining these remedies with daily habits like sunscreen, gloves, and hydration. If you follow these steps regularly, your hands will thank you. They'll look smoother, brighter, and years younger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty and skincare tips. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest struggle with your hands, dryness, wrinkles, or spots?